The most common expression or the way we greet in India is Namaste. The tone of Namaste is welcoming and soft. Some phrases that will help you navigate your way once you're on the airport. If you are not sure where you want to go, you can. Where is the cafeteria? यहाँ cafeteria कहाँ है? I need a taxi. मुझे टैक्सी चाहिए. I need to go to my hotel. मुझे होटल जाना है. My hotel is at Nariman Point. मेरा होटल नरिमन पॉइंट पर है. Though it's great to learn any language in its purest form, you could always mix some amount of English while speaking Hindi, especially as a beginner. You can use phrases like क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Could you help me? Or I need help. You can always hear these sentences again and again till you get the hang of it. For example, the same क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? You can always say क्या आप मुझे help कर सकते हैं? You can even shorten the phrase like मुझे मदद चाहिए. Case of emergency. I need some help. मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Could you help me? After you have received help, you can always thank the person by saying thank you, dhanyavad, shukriya. All these are acceptable and most of the people will be able to understand you well. Either you may have hotel booking already or you may need some hotel booking. In case you want hotel booking, you can always ask them, मुझे hotel book करना है. If you already have your bookings, you can just say, मेरी hotel booking है. I already have booked my hotel. For every sentence that you agree, you can use simple yes. In Hindi we say हाँ. For no, it is नहीं, नहीं. This will help the locals understand you in a better way. For more such videos, do subscribe to the channel, like, share, and take care of yourself.